Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Delta Force game controllers is not working. Guys, first solution is open up the Steam, then just click on the game, which is the Delta Force. Then just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties. And on the left hand side, just click on the controllers, and in the override controller setting, just choose the disable Steam input. Now just launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then go to the properties again, completely close the game first, then just choose enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just choose use default setting and just leave it. Now the first solution is check connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected. For wired controllers, ensure the USB is properly plugged in. For wireless controller, ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. And the second solution is update driver. So simply open up the device manager and just look for the human interface devices or universal serial bus controllers. Right click and select update driver, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not working, so the next solution is configure controller setting in Steam. If you are using Steam, go to the setting, go to the controller, go to the general controller setting and enable the necessary configurations. This is essential for proper recognition of the controller. Now the first step is to use big picture mode. Launch the Steam in big picture mode can help configure your controller setting and resolve recognition issues more effectively. Now the next solution is check for conflicting software. Ensure that no other software like third-party Gamepad emulator is conflicting with your controller. And the sixth solution is change USB ports. Sometimes simply switching USB ports can resolve connection issues, so just try this. And hope one of these solutions fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.